Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And yes, this is the look of this unlucky charm palette. I call it unlucky because it has literally broken twice. So I did it with that. I don't know if this video is going to be up before it or after it. If it is up, I will put it in the I button. If it's not, it will come somewhere sometime. So yeah, keep in mind, stay around, okay? Subscribe so that you can stay around. Yes. So yeah, so today I have for you a few eyeshadow palettes, not just eyeshadow palettes, a few brands in general. If you remember, I did this video where I talked about my favorite eyeshadow palettes. Again, if you haven't seen that, I'll put it in the I button. And I talked about my favorite eyeshadows from all around the world that I have my hands on, that I absolutely love. But there are some eyeshadow palettes which some people are just not comfortable in buying makeup from some third-party seller or from some website, paying so much of customs, buying these bulky, very expensive palettes. So today I have for you all the palettes that you can buy easily from India: Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and Nykaa, Purple, Curves and Lashes, Hot Makeup, all of these, so that it's easy for you to get your hands on all of this makeup. And I'll take you through all of the nude colors, all of the colorful palettes. So without further wasting any time, let's get into the video, guys. Let's go. Let's just address the elephant in the room. This color look is from this Nika K palette. It's very easily available in India. It has recently launched in India on HOK Makeup. If you really like this color scheme, these are a few palettes. I'm not going to take it any further because it's literally all over the place. So I'll insert pictures for all the colors these palettes have. So if you are interested in this kind of scheme, these palettes are affordable, only $6.99. You can get them even cheaper in the combos and offers and everything. So it's a very affordable palette, really pretty palette, and the pigmentation of it, you can see this is a pretty look, right? And so you can buy this from them. Also, if we are talking about Nika K, let me take you through other Nika K palettes as well. Nika K also has these sort of palettes, which is literally you can call these were literally like the dupes of Huda Beauty ones. So all the Huda Beauty palettes, like the Sapphire Obsessions, Emerald Obsessions, and all that. No, not the Sapphire and the Emerald one. Other than that, all of these palette has this color scheme, and it is easily available. And then this one of them, Under the Sea, the Sugar Plum. You can buy all of these. I have review for all of these. You can find them in the I button, so do check that as well. So these ones are even cheaper than the Neon Pop ones. These only cost for 4.99 rupees. You can again get them on combo, 9.99 3-ka combo, the best deal to go with. So definitely Nika K when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. Not talking about other ones, eyeshadow palettes, these 9 ones I would highly recommend. This is my first recommendation, go for it. And these are available on Amazon. I believe they are available on Nykaa, Purple, Myntra, I don't know, I think it is. Hot Makeup, of course, Curves and Lashes, of course. You can find them anywhere, easily available. Go for them right now. So all the palettes that I'm talking about, none of them is going to be a Chinese brand. They might be manufactured in China, that I cannot control, because most of the brands that we get in India are manufactured in China. All of these are international brands, but not from China. I have specifically kept that in mind. So nothing from this comes from a Chinese brand. So all of that, Beauty Glaze palettes and You Can Be palettes and SFR palettes, all of these are Chinese brands, so I'm not talking about them at all. These are all non-Chinese ones. Another brand that I highly recommend to you guys when it comes to eyeshadows is going to be Wet n Wild. If you have seen that eyeshadow video, my favorite ones, these were in that too, because these are literally my favorite ones. So if you want to go for like a very nude color scheme, these are the ones. This is in the shade Rose in the Air, a little bit of color. This is Comfort Zone. So these one cost 5.99 rupees. I believe 4.99 or 5.99, something like that. Of course, you can get them for 250, 350 rupees as well, because these are mostly on sale. Also, there is another set of eyeshadow palettes from Wet n Wild. These are the quad ones, just the 4 eyeshadows in one palette, and this is the color scheme. You can get these in various color schemes. So this comes in like 7 or 8 different color schemes. This one also comes in a lot of color schemes. So definitely all of these you can just get your hands on at very cheap, affordable rate. Also, there is another set. This is the trio from Wet n Wild. It also comes in like 2-3 shades, so you can get that for a good smoky eye. I swear this was my go-to smoky eye thing back in the days, and I highly recommend. This black color is the blackest of blacks I've ever seen. So highly recommend these Wet n Wild palettes. Like, these are my favorite ones. If you're asking me my first recommendation when it comes to an eyeshadow palette, these literally are my first ones. So definitely highly recommended as well. Let me talk about, I wanted to talk about this Hilary Rhoda palette as well, because I think this is a very colorful palette, but I am not going to talk about this because I believe this is a Chinese palette. I might be wrong. Or I might not be, but as far as I know, this is actually a Chinese palette. It is made in PRC. Hilary Rhoda, I am very 100% sure that this is actually a Chinese palette, so this is not in the video. This is actually in the video, but I'm not going to talk about it because it's Chinese. Another one that I have for you is going to be this from LA Colors, and this is the one, and I have a review video for this as well. You can definitely try this out. This is very pretty palette, like very pretty, and each of this color is extremely pigmented. Again, this comes in a variety of eyeshadow schemes, so definitely you can have all your nudes, all your smoky ones, the night color, and everything from this palette as well. So highly recommend this one, and it is extremely affordable. I believe it is literally under 300 or 400 rupees. It's very affordable, and at the same time it has pretty colorful scheme, and the vibrancy of this palette is literally there. Okay, let me show you. So it's just that my fingers don't go inside this. None of us would have their fingers inside this palette, so I cannot show you like a proper swatch, but if you talk about it, it's literally there. So it's a nice palette. Again, high recommendation from my side. Now next up, I believe, would be the last brand of recommendation from my side, and it is actually going to be Makeup Revolution. So this is one palette that I have from Makeup Revolution. This is the second palette, and I have two more palettes from Makeup Revolution. Third one is this. This is in the acidic scheme, and there's another one, fourth one, and this is this one. Now, okay, this one is not available in India yet, but there are a lot more color schemes other than this that are available in India. You can definitely try these out. This hell pigmented Makeup Revolution palettes are hell pigmented, you guys. I highly recommend Makeup Revolution palettes. So this is literally Jeffree Star dupe. You cannot get your hands on this because it's still not available in India, but if you can get your hands on Beauty Bay, go for this one. It's literally very affordable and easily available. But there are other color schemes in this type of palette. This is the Forever Flawless range. You can get so many color schemes in this palette. Definitely check that out. It's a little pricey, 1900 rupees something, so definitely on the pricier side, but definitely it's worth everything. This is the acidic scheme one. If you are somebody who loves bright ass colors, it does not have just the acidic scheme but also some other colors as well. So you can have your bright pinks and bright blues and everything. I really love this palette. I want to dive into this palette once again. I did a look with this palette. It's very beautiful, and I think this one was rupees 1300 something. As far as I remember, it's 1350, and you can definitely get it for off. But if you can get your hands on this, I would highly recommend you this one, for your colorful fetishes. The top Makeup Revolution palettes is this, and these one are, I don't know what the name is for this one. I think this is the Reloaded Neutrals, Reloaded palettes. This is the Velvet Rose, and this is the Reloaded Neutrals. And these extremely pigmented and beautiful palettes. Oh my god, I really love these palettes as well. Again, a lot of schemes available in this range. You can definitely try them out for all your new neutral fetishes, and of course I think this has like colors as well. Okay, so there are a lot more eyeshadow palettes from Makeup Revolution that I would highly recommend. One would be the Tammy collection, the Tammy into Makeup Revolution palettes. There are like 3 of them, so I would highly recommend that. Another one, of course, in this Forever Flawless wali range, iske andar there are Allure and Constellation. I don't know, a lot of them. Highly recommend them as well. Also, Revolution into Patricia Brights palette. That is a big palette. I think it's 2500 rupees or something, but it's very bright, very pretty. Again, high recommendation from my side. And the last palette that I don't have, but I am sure it's a very pretty palette, and it's made in India, so I'm just going to give it a shout out. It's going to be Nidhi Katiyar That's So Me palette, and also there's this blush highlight contour, something like that. I'll just for both the palettes. I think these are very pretty palettes, you guys. Honestly speaking, if I wouldn't have bought my EYN 42 colored palette, this palette over here, I would have literally gone with this palette in the first go itself. But the color scheme for both the palettes are so similar, so I didn't get my hands on that because it's literally no point of buying the same repetitive colors, right? So I didn't get them. So if you want a good, this 42 colored palette EYN wala, uske ilawa, something that's easily available in India, go for the Nidhi Katiyar one. Because it's made in India, manufactured in India, everything in India. So something made in India is high recommended from my side, right? So yes guys, that's it for today's video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.